NET C1 Standard D states that you must implement strategies for initiating and sustaining technology innovations and manage the change process in schools and classrooms. A successful technology program is always changing. It's important to build a school environment that thrives on this change and updates the plans and procedures as these things change. I was able to complete an interview with my school's technology coordinator. I was able to learn about the struggles and problems that he faces, how he manages them, and what can be done to fix it. You can click on the hyperlink to view my interview with my school's technology coordinator. I also utilized the ISTE Lead and Transform Diagnostic Assessment to view my school's strengths and weaknesses when it comes to technology. I was able to take my results and see what exactly we need to change as a school system. I completed a memo to Dr. Lewis summarizing my results, so you can click on the hyperlink there to pull up a PDF version of it, and you can also click on this hyperlink to view the results for my school system. Once again, you'll see the Fear Factor podcast. This was the assignment where we had readings on how to have a positive environment. As we are managing technology and the changes that comes with technology, it is important to keep those 6 tenets that I've discussed in mind while we're working with other educators throughout the changes. I also completed the personality and leadership styles inventory. Knowing more about myself will help me to understand how I will react to the changes, and then it can assist me to better help others. You'll also see the andragogy and TPAC training white paper again. This puts me in the place of the technology coordinator and having to present new strategies to other educators.